other time we are talking about artificial intelligence in agriculture, application of artificial intelligence in agriculture. And I told us that the artificial intelligence in agriculture is replicating the human intelligence, trying to apply the human intelligence into machines so that those machines can be used for problem solving. And another goal is to create machines that have behavior on their own, intelligent behavior on their own, which will help to solve problems still and advise the user on what and what. There are many applications. So I'm going to show you where these things are applied. For instance, these are features of artificial intelligence, facial recognition, deep learning, automate tasks, data ingestion, quantum computing, cloud computing, chat box. So all these, if you go to internet, you see them in details and where they are in action. Then also we use artificial intelligence in smart irrigation, application of artificial intelligence in irrigation. These drones, see it irrigating with the water source tank can carry by the use of this, you can irrigate a very large farm. Use it or in a smaller hole that farm anyway, where you cannot reach. See the drones powering this, carrying the tank. Look at it here, look at it here. And this is someone monitoring it. Then this is the smart irrigation system. There is IoT based smart irrigation system as Internet of Things. This uses to monitor irrigation. This is IoT cloud, monitor irrigation, monitor every other thing you want to monitor. This is a controller based control, water pump, sensors do this work, which exhibits the does their work as a human intelligence. Then this is still the IoT-based smart irrigation system in action. This is a mobile app. You can use a mobile app to control this. And this was guided by these researchers. They did it. Then you have another, the solar powered pumping systems for agriculture use. So you can also apply this. Look at the uses. You can use it, the solar power, that's power from the sun. Tap it, impute it, and make use of it. This is the solar collector. That the panels that collect that sun. From there, you can use your, look at it here. This is your control, monitor it. This is the groundwater. The pump from the groundwater, it pumps, brings here, goes from there, you use it for your irrigation. And it has enumerated advantages. No pollution, no noise, independent of grid power supply, free maintenance, daily payback. These are uses also flood irrigation, fish farming, poultry farming, cattle farming, drip irrigation. So this developed by Pump Cat. And this is still also applications of solar energy in irrigation. The solar collectors, the panels, collect and impute it into a reservoir, into the battery by the use of sensors. Then it can trigger this sprinkler irrigation, can trigger when based on how you have set it, how you have done it, so that it can trigger on its own and do your irrigation. So also it's future farms, smart, small and smart. So you use it, the drones, look at what you can do, the future farms, all these things. Look at survey drones, fleet of agribus, that's robots geared for the use in agriculture, these smart tractors, testing cows, farming data, collects data. Your robots or your drones can collect data for you and advise you who is the farmer or the user, advises you what to do based on what the data they have collected. And another feature of the artificial intelligence is this type of machine learning. Yes, have supervised machine learning, have unsupervised, have semi-supervised, to have reinforced learning, reinforcement learning. And these are their details, what and what that entails in them. Also show you the use of artificial intelligence in greenhouse. In greenhouse engineering. So this is the clouds coordinator. From here you distribute and do what you are can do the heating, do the cooling, do the lighting, do the shading, do the irrigation, and all these things are from the control units. And this is internet, this is a physiologic internet that uses the user, an agriculture professional. So based on this, from the controller, it is, and through the internet and the sensors, and so they can do and apply them in order to be successful in what it's doing. This is solar power generation and application. Solar power generation is the sun which is given to us free by God, tapped by the solar panel, solar connector that collects all the rays, the energy. Once it by the pump controller. From there, when it is required, this triggers off the pump, and the pump pumps water, brings it into the overhead tank or the reservoir, and from your reservoir pour it to the ground level, that for your irrigation and so on, and which is what is here. It's an irrigator doing his work. So these are the uses. And many more. Go to internet, you see many more applications of artificial intelligence. So note that both the artificial intelligence and these applications give strength to agricultural mechanization we're talking about. And even if all these things are into play, production will be increased and we will achieve food security. Thank you.